Hey everyone, welcome back to Page to Plate. Today we're highlighting Nicola Lamb's upside down sticky pear and walnut cake from her multi-award winning cookbook, SIFT. We chose this recipe in honor of the Stranger Things Season 5 Volume 2 premiere coming out on the 25th. Nicola Lamb is an award-winning author, recipe developer, and pastry chef based in London. Prior to writing SIFT, she trained in some of London and New York's top bakeries. Nicola wrote SIFT to be an all-encompassing cookbook breaking down baking to its core elements and providing a handful of buildable recipes to use in the future. To start, chop the walnuts and toast them over medium heat for 5 to 8 minutes. Once cooled, grind down the walnuts to a fine texture and set 2/3 of the toasted walnuts aside to add to the cake batter later. Combine sugar and butter in a saucepan to make the goo. Bring to a boil and bubble for 1 to 2 minutes until darkened. Whisk in heavy cream and salt and cook for another minute until thick. Set aside half for serving later. Using a stand mixer, add dark brown sugar and butter and blend until aerated and smooth. Add the eggs one at a time, scraping the bowl as you go. Sift together the flours, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt. Mix together the wet and dry ingredients. Add the walnuts and mix well. Finally, add the milk and heavy cream and set aside. Peel, halve, and core the pears. Slice them into 1/4 inch pieces. Line the bottom of an 8-inch springform pan with parchment paper. Make sure the parchment paper extends an extra 1 inch over the sides of the pan to prevent liquid from seeping out. Pour half of the goo mixture into the pan. Place the sliced pears in concentric circles, slightly overlapping. Place any remaining chopped walnuts into gaps. Spread the batter evenly over the pears. Place the cake in the oven at 375 degrees. Bake for 45 to 50 minutes or until a skewer comes out clean. Let cool in the pan for 5 to 10 minutes. Place a plate underneath and flip the cake over. Remove the pan and parchment paper. If you make this in honor of the Stranger Things Season 5 Volume 2 premiere, let us know how your upside down cake turned out and how you felt about the new episodes in the comments below. Enjoy your upside down sticky pear and walnut cake. We will leave a link for Nicola's book and her Instagram in the description. Happy cooking, chefs!